Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this simple coaster. So let's get started. So I am using a 5mm crochet hook for my project and this yarn. This is a 3-ply yarn. So first of all, make a slip stitch and then start making chains with the help of crochet hook. You can also make a magic ring. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6. So after these 6 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain. So go into the first chain and make a slip stitch. A ring is formed. Now we would work into this ring. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and these 3 chains will be counted as a first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and draw a loop, 3 loops on our hook, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet again into the magic ring. This is double crochet 3 including 3 chains. Then make double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and then double crochet 6. Make 10 more double crochet stitches in this ring. So I have made all double crochet stitches. Now we have total 16 double crochet stitches including the 3 chain. So now make a slip stitch into the third chain to complete this first round. Now the first round is completed. For the second round, make 3 chains again, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will also be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now again make a double crochet into this same chain 3 where we have made a slip stitch. So this is our increased round. We would make 2 double crochets in every stitch. So now we have 2 double crochet including first 3 chains in the chain 3. Now into the next double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Then into the next stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way make 2 double crochets in every stitch, and I have made all double crochet stitches. Now in the second round we would have 32 stitches. So make slip stitch into the third chain. Second round is also completed. For the third one, make 3 chains again and go into this chain 3 where we have made a slip stitch and do an increased stitch here. First 3 chain will be counted as a double crochet stitch and this one is increased stitch. Now in the next one, make 1 double crochet and in the next one make 2 double crochet stitches. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Then into the next one make 1 double crochet. So make double crochet 1 in the next and then make 2 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. So double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way make 2 1 2 1 and then 2 and complete this third round. So I have completed this third round. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. So proceed for the fourth one. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 again, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and make a double crochet into the same chain 3, which is an increase. Now make double crochet 2 times in the next 2 stitches. So double crochet 1 in the next, and then double crochet 2 in the next stitch, and after these 2 stitches into the third one we would do an increase. So make double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2 into this stitch. Now in the next 2 make 2 double crochet stitches. So double crochet 1 in the next, then double crochet 2 in the next, and in the third one we would do an increase again. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way make increase in every third stitch, and in the next 2 make simple double crochet stitches 1 time. So in this one make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So complete this round after every third increase stitch. So I have completed this round. Now again make a slip stitch into the third chain to finish it. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 again, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and then make a double crochet into this same chain 3. Now in the next 3 make 3 double crochet stitches. So make double crochet 1 in the next, double crochet 2 into the next stitch, and then double crochet 3 into the next stitch. After these 3 stitches do an increase in the fourth one. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now in next 3 make 3 double crochet stitches again. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2 in the next, and then double crochet 3 in the next, and in the fourth one make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way make an increase in every fourth stitch and complete this fifth round. So I have completed all double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into this third chain. Now make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this same chain 3. Now make chain 3, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and skip 1 double crochet stitch right here, and into the next one make a single crochet stitch. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 again, skip 1 double crochet stitch, and into the next one make a single crochet. Again make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, skip 1 double crochet stitch, and into the next one make a single crochet. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 again in the same way, and skip 1 stitch, and into the next one make a single crochet. So in this last round we would do chain border around our coaster. So make 3 chains and skip 1 double crochet stitch and make a single crochet in the next stitch and complete this last round. So I have completed this last round. Now to properly finish it, make the last 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and make a slip stitch into this first single crochet stitch of this round, and after that pull the yarn. Now cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. And now we would weave this yarn end at the back side of our coaster. So first of all, take this yarn, pull this yarn with the help of crochet hook at the back side of coaster, and then with the help of yarn needle or crochet hook, pull it through some stitches of back side. So I have woven this yarn end. Now cut these extra yarn strands and our coaster is ready. So if you like this coaster, give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel also. Once again, thank you. Bye.